Have you ever felt your outfits are falling flat or so boring? I'm a big fan of using color in styling. When we talk about expensive colors, neutrals come to mind. In this video, I want to highlight some of the top color combinations that's worth trying for the summer. These pairings are classic and accessible, and they'll be everywhere this season. They bring fresh and fun ways to incorporate color into your closet. So, if any resonate with you, it might be a great opportunity to try them out. I'll also reveal 5 secret techniques in combining summer colors, and how to fix many color combination mistakes, say goodbye to boring outfits, and hello to effortless, colorful style. Let's start. Let's start with the blue color. As you can see, the colors we find in nature feel the most timeless, and pale blue or sky blue is an example of these. This color brings a chic and fresh look in the summer. You can use 5 techniques to combine this color and elevate your summer wardrobe. The first technique you can use is monochromatic technique. Playing with color tones is a great technique when combining colors. If complementary colors seem too bold, try using different tones of the same color family. The idea behind it is simple. Pick a color and break it into different shades and hues, going from lighter to darker, from more saturated to more muted. You can mix different temperatures of one color, cool and warm, as long as you use more than 2 shades in one outfit to create depth and dimension. To demonstrate blending this color within a single color range, you can pair a pale blue button-up with denim. This is a fresh take on denim look, especially in the summer when you can't opt for a denim set all day long. A pale blue button-up with your favorite jeans, and a subtle accent, like navy blue sweater or burgundy bag, offers a fresh, accessible look for summer. Sometimes, you can also play with texture in a blazer or jacket, and tall boots for a stylish and polished look in the autumn. This combination is flexible and classic, you can wear every season. Another monochromatic blue outfit you can try out is pairing a navy blue top with a medium wash blue denim. The 2 shades of blue create a smooth transition. For the shoes and bags, you should choose the neutral ones, like off-white, to keep the look balanced. Another technique you can use to start combining bold colors is adding a color accent. For those who love neutral colors, but want to start combining bold colors, you can use a basic neutral color as an underlayer, and contrasting accents in small doses. Adding a color accent is the best option for true minimalists who want to stay true to their neutral palette, but inject a bit of color to create a focal point and add interest. You need only a small color accent to break your monochromatic neutral combination and elevate your outfit. This is an easy way to dress up in more colorful outfits. As you can see, minimalists often lean towards all shades of neutrals, only playing with shades and textures. When combining this blue tone, influencers often pair their trending pale blue items with light neutrals, like off-white, cream, or ivory for a fresh and chic look in the hot weather. A bonus tip here is you should be cautious about the temperature of your beige pieces to avoid an Inkosevic look with pale blue items. For example, pale blue and dark beige are too contrasting and as not expensive as you hoped. This example shows the importance of not only choosing the right colors, but also balancing the proportions in your outfit. When experimenting with high contrast combinations, consider playing with the ratio of colors to achieve a more harmonious look. Although these neutral outfits look sleek and polished, sometimes you might feel like something is missing or boring. So, you can add just a tiny color accent to elevate your neutrals and add an interesting twist. This accent can be as simple as a colorful silk scarf, a bag or a belt, or even stripes to add a subtle and contrasting detail. In this case, you can elevate this combination with an accent in camel, caramel, or even burgundy color. Instead of a gray accent, I love adding a scarf or handbag, or belt in camel, caramel, or burgundy, with my basic white button-up and blue jeans outfit for everyday look. The result is a sophisticated and classic outfit that maintains the neutral color scheme. A bonus tip here is you should think about quantity contrast when adding an accent, because you play with the proportions of colors in your outfit. You should use 1 or 2 neutral colors as a base, and a color accent taking no more than 10 for a sophisticated look. Another interesting way to introduce a color accent is by adding a print to your outfit. This combination always looks stylish and makes a statement. You can choose a stripe, and it's also my favorite print for summer. Sometimes, you feel that the blue and white combo is a safe choice, but can feel a bit too ordinary. So, you can elevate this combination with stripes. You can opt for a blue button-up in horizontal stripes, with off-white trousers or skirt to instantly elevate your look. I love adding this accent to bring a relaxed and cool beach vibe to my summer wardrobe. Sometimes, you can pair light and dark shades in equal proportions for high contrast combinations. Contrast will add depth and dimension to the outfit. Sometimes, if you want to look more classy and mature, you can add a subtle accent in black color to elevate your look. This approach will help you achieve and maintain an expensive, sophisticated, elegant look. You also should pay attention to balance the proportion of outfits for a polished look. Another technique you can use to inject bold colors into your style is called temperature contrast, where we use temperature as the key criterion to select colors. You can think of colors related to warmth like sun, fire, reds, oranges, yellows. These are warm colors. Meanwhile, colors associated with cold, like ice water, blues, greens, violets, are cool colors. Combining these creates very bold and stylish color combinations. This logic is also behind complementary contrasts, where complementary colors are not only opposite on the color wheel, but also in temperature. Let me show an example about it. Let's begin with a timeless combo of blue and white. It's almost neutral and without colors. As you can see on the color wheel, the opposite blue on the color wheel is any warm hue, like this gorgeous pastel pink. Pink and blue create a bold yet harmonious combo, and with the denim and white combo, it doesn't overwhelm your outfit. It looks vivid, bold, yet elegant and sophisticated. What do you think of this combination? For an even bolder temperature contrast, you can opt for a yellow button-up or blazer for the coming fall look. This yellow is one of the color trends this season, and you can see it everywhere in every summer. Warm yellow matches perfectly with the cool blue of the jeans. And when layered with white, it looks more sophisticated and soft. Again, two opposite temperature colors come together in a bold and harmonious combo, creating an easy, casual outfit formula. A bonus tip here is when working with complementary colors, you should think about proportions. You should avoid using many techniques at the same time. It can conflict with each other and make you outdated and frumpy. Instead of using a leopard accent and high contrast combination in the same outfit like this, you should use one technique in a large amount. And the other technique is a small accent, like a handbag or accessories. This creates a balanced and harmonious look. Similarly, we can have many complementary colors with blue. You can opt for blue and red, blue and burgundy, blue and orange for an unforgettable look. These color combinations take many spotlight. You should consider some of the best combos for your summer wardrobe if you want to make a statement in special occasions like summer festivals or events and parties. The next technique is color blend with analogous colors. Here's a question for you. Do you know what analogous colors are? Do you know where they stand on the color wheel? Chances are you might not easily select and combine them in your outfits. The good news is you don't need to memorize the color wheel. Just imagine a rainbow. What colors do you see? These are the same colors you can use to create your analogous color combination without the color wheel, like purple and blue, blue and green, green and yellow, yellow and orange, orange and red. The combinations are limitless. Let me show an example about it with blue color. The beauty of this method is you can follow the rainbow color combos in both directions. If you go one color up, you get to green, which is next to blue. Mixing these two colors gives another gorgeous combo. Complement it with neutral colors, like black and white, and your new colorful outfit is ready. This is my favorite color combination, called color blend. I love pairing a black button-up with blue jeans and adding a few playful accents in dark green like this handbag. So, I can transform a casual outfit into something much more stylish. It's super easy, classy, elegant, and flattering in terms of silhouette, because it elevates and slims your figure. Sometimes, you also can use the combination of blue jeans and lilac, or purple for making a statement. Let me know in the comments which sky blue combination you prefer. The last technique you can use to elevate the blue outfit is texture and tone balance. There is an overlooked aspect when styling neutral outfits. Neutrals become more expensive when paired with summer luxurious fabrics like silk, linen, pop linen, adding depth and richness to your look yet keep you cool and comfortable all summer days. Silk, linen, or poplin outfits always bring elegance, sophistication, and style, making them perfect for your timeless basics. It's also an easy way to instantly look expensive when combining bold color in the hot weather. Then let's talk about burgundy colors. I love this burgundy, or a color similar to ox blonde. As you know, it's so chic and classic. You can find it across various personal styles. Regardless of your aesthetic, it's timeless and versatile. You can also adjust its undertone to suit your preference. For a more earthy feel, you can lean towards a brown base like maroon. For a more vibrant, wine-like feel, stick to a red or purplish burgundy. I love how it carries the energy and vibrancy of red, but you can balance that by pairing it with other colors. A tip to avoid getting older when combining burgundy is you should avoid wearing dark, muted colors next to each other. Combining dark, muted shades like Bordeaux brown, gray, dark green, without any color accent, can make you look dull and older. For example, wearing a burgundy top with black bottom, two dark shades and no vivid colors, creates a boring and mature look. This outfit feels too hot, and I can't wear it in the hot weather. Instead of black, you should opt for light neutral color for an elegant and classy look. While also highlighting and flattering your face, you can mix different shades of cream, off-white and beige to turn a basic look into something polished and chic. It also enhances your natural coloring and avoids a too formal or mature appearance, because these tones down burgundy, creating a calming effect and earthy feel. Especially, I love to pair it with tan and lighter shades, like sand color. It feels so chic and classy in the summer. The same logic applies to other darker neutrals like chocolate brown, dark blue, and olive green. You also can use two techniques to make this burgundy look more expensive: mixing textures and adding monochromatic color. Many consider this combination of burgundy and purple elegant and expensive. To elevate it, you can add some luxurious fabrics like high-quality silk to add depth and richness to your look. Silk outfits always bring elegance, sophistication, and style, making them perfect for your timeless basics. And about soft beige colors. A few years ago, beige might have seemed too boring for a summer wardrobe, but now beige is getting the chic appreciation it deserves. Dramatic technique to combine soft beige in the summer. Off-white, camel, and caramel combination is an easy-to-copy color combo for the summer. However, another mistake I often see women make, especially when they are afraid of mixing different shades, is going for the same tone head to toe. When you opt for the exact same hues, your outfit can look flat and boring, especially if the same textures blend together like silk with satin. You may wonder what's wrong with monochrome. Well, nothing, especially in beige. It can look elegant, polished, and chic, but you need a secret tip to make it more interesting. When playing with beige tones to create monochrome outfits, you should be cautious about the temperature of your beige pieces. To avoid an Inkosevic look, you should avoid wearing dark, muted colors next to each other. Combining dark, muted shades like chocolate brown, navy blue, without any color accent can make you look dull and older. I think this outfit feels too hot, and I can't wear it in the hot weather. You should choose soft beige as a base and add some darker neutrals like navy blue as an accent. Instead of wearing black, you can pair gold tone with off-white color for classy and fresh in the hot weather, especially also to help you look younger, fresher, yet more impressive on special occasions. You should opt for a light neutral in a sand shade to tone down this contrast for a relaxed and chic look. Especially, I love to use two techniques to make this soft beige look more expensive. These are mixing luxurious textures and adding an accent color. Beige neutrals become more expensive when paired with luxurious fabrics like silk, linen, poplin, adding depth and richness to your look. A subtle change of fabric in a blazer or bottom can make you look more elegant, sophisticated, and stylish for any occasion. Let me know in the comments which beige combination you prefer. And I hope this video inspires you to experiment with more colors daily to look more expensive and refreshing in the summer days. Let me know in the comments if any of these colors resonate with you or fit your color palette. Also, let me know if there's a color you want me to highlight. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube algorithm to help more people know it as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.